even if you're working on McDonald's, when you're off from your shift, then you can go and start trading. And if you do it well, then you don't need to work in McDonald's for a long time. I used to do these videos when I was traveling, and I put it together, and it was getting a very good, some beautiful videos what to watch also in the future. And right now I have been out of this for maybe 2 years, 3 years, or maybe even more, and I'm gonna start doing it again. So it's a lot of work, but why the hell not? Why the hell not? So this is beach, Kite Beach in Dubai. I really love this place. There is actually a running track in here. So this running track is marked every 100 meters. It says how much is done. So there is 5 kilometers total of the running track. Then there is a walking area in here, sand, beach, very, very long beach. And it's right now a little bit hot. I just made a story also, or small video about how this is a good thing that it is so hot in here, because you go to the sea, you go and swim a little bit, you come out, and 10 minutes later your pants are totally dry. Look in here, you can see the running track, 2,300 meters, so it goes up to 5 kilometers. And actually there is one more track in here, and this track is in there. I don't know if you can see that, but there is also like a bicycle track or bicycle area. I see, I'm gonna show you this also. But yeah, I have not done very long time these videos. Look at this. I don't know actually how good the sound is going to be, because there is also a little bit of wind in here. I don't have my microphone with me, but let's see if I can cut out anything interesting from here. I will do that, and maybe it's more fun for you guys to watch. There's more stuff in here. Courts for playing the ball, children's area. There is another court in here, the paddle court as well. So let's see. It's in there. If the light is good enough, because right now I'm doing it with my selfie camera, and I'm actually going away in Dubai. I love Dubai. I love everything about it. I love the heat. I love the business mindset, and all these people who in here are trying to get better every day, reaching for the stars and executing. So the people in here are not lazy. They're always doing something and trying to do something. So this is just something that I really love about Dubai. However, life has a strange things in the plan for me. So something happened what I least expected, and now within next 2 weeks I'm gonna move away from here, and I most probably I'm gonna be somewhere in Asia. But you're gonna see also from the videos you see in here everywhere, you can buy some food, fruits, drinks, or whatever stuff that you desire, except alcohol. Because alcohol you can get only from the bars, and in the shops they don't sell it in here, which is a good thing. So if you have an alcohol problem, come to Dubai, habibi, and you're gonna get rid of your alcohol problem, because you cannot really drink in here, and in the clubs it's so expensive. If you're not super rich, you cannot be alcoholic anymore. It's just not possible. One night out in a proper club is gonna cost you probably like $1,000–2,000 minimum. But yeah, you can always go to the cheaper places as well. But that was not the point. Anyway, I'm gonna move somewhere to Asia, either to Bali or Philippines, somewhere. Don't know yet. But I think I will be somewhere where there is water close to me, where there is nice beach, beautiful people, more warmth. Want to chill a little bit. So that's it for now. Okay, my hand was getting tired before, but I wanted to show you also that there is a food court also in this beach, in Kite Beach. Actually, it is in I think in every beach in Dubai. It looks kind of the same, and this is definitely a nice one. There is different foods in here, different restaurants, a lot of them, and this part of the beach in here also there is some people. So it is like 2 p.m. right now, so it's starting to go cooler, and in a lunchtime there is not a lot of people in here right now, so everybody is worried about the heat, but now it's starting to get crowded, and by 5 o'clock or so it's gonna be very crowded in here. You see even a Lipton bus. Hey, home at last. So even though it is Sunday, there needs to be still some work done. Look, there is a Jupiter in here. It has been performing really well, and I get a little part of that already, but I feel that this is going to bump soon. So I have been following this for a while and traded already for a while with this, and it's so strange with the selfie camera. I don't know where to where to look, where it's gonna feel okay. So with the Jupiter, yes. So Jupiter USDT pair right now, I think that it's going to be really good. I have been following this for a while, and right now it's $0.8 per Jupiter, and it seems that the normal price would be around 1.2, 1.3. So it is like, I don't know, 40% almost higher should be than it is right now. So the moment when Bitcoin is going to be again close to 70,000, I think, now I'm gonna make a prediction in here, and this prediction is what I'm trading as well. So it's gonna be close to 70,000 Bitcoin, then Jupiter is going to be 1.25, let's say 1.25. So let's see if I was wrong or right. And if you're doing the trades, also what I recommend for you, one thing what I can tell for sure, day trading for me does not work very well. I'm making like 5-6 trades profitably, and I'm doing it like good trades, and then 6th one or 7th one I'm gonna lose it all. And if you have also same kind of experience, maybe there is something what I'm missing, what I just like don't understand, probably. But one way what works for me is swing trading or swing strategy. And basically in a swing strategy, it does not matter how long is the trade. It might be 1 day, it might be 1 hour, it might be 1 week, it might be even 1 month. So you can read about it more, or I can make also some videos about it, like how do I do it, but this is like something what always brings me profit. So the only rule in there is that when you are doing it with leverage, either in futures or with margin, then don't go all in, otherwise you're just gonna get liquidated. Yeah, that's it. Like trade with 10%, max 20% with your with the money what you have, and then it's gonna be okay. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing the glasses, I'm actually not usually wearing the glasses, and I have not been wearing it for almost, I think almost 2 years or something like that. I just found it, and it was meant. Actually, it's like I went to the eye doctor a couple of years ago, and then they gave me the glasses but has protective lens for the computer. I don't know if it's true or not. I don't see like too much difference. However, I'm gonna try it. So nothing wrong with my eyes really. Well, a little bit, like very, very, very tiny bit, it could be better. But maybe I just need to eat some carrot or something. This is looking very weird on me. Like I feel I look very geeky like this. Maybe I should buy some different frames also. Well, let's see. The trading, yes. One more thing. I'm gonna give out also my trading course soon, so I'm gonna start recording today. And I actually did already one recording, the full course, what I wanted to put already online. The course what is meant for the beginner trader. So if you want to learn also how to trade, there is going to be the whole course. There is in the course there is like 15-20 videos or something like that, what is gonna teach all of the basics and is going to make sure that you're not gonna lose your money when you're starting with trading, and guide you to the right direction and right information, at least based on the things what is working for me. And if you're also in this position, you want to learn how to trade, you want to live a little bit better life, you want to move into the country what is more appealing for you, then trading definitely is like something what can get you in there, and it is definitely a really good extra income source on whatever you do. Then this has kind of the time freedom. Even if you're working on McDonald's, when you're off from your shift, then you can go and start trading, and if you do it well, then you don't need to work in McDonald's for a long time. So that's it. I'm gonna do the videos and I'm gonna let you know when it's going to be online. And then also, if you are watching this and you're interested about learning on how to trade, then there is gonna be beginner courses out what is gonna teach you all of the basics. And saying that also, I'm not some kind of trading guru or professional trader. So I have been doing the trades since 2013 I started, and I started with a pretty big losses because I really did not know too much, and I did not even know what is the difference between the spot and margin and futures, and how to trade, which pairs to choose, and so on. So if I could have had a teacher at that time who would have given me the information, I would definitely saved a lot of money. So by the day, it has been always at least past 5-6 years, it has been one of my income sources what is there every month. It does not mean that I'm not losing, and it does not mean also that when you are starting to trade, it does not matter, it doesn't matter how good you are, you're always gonna have losing days, and even sometimes losing months, and then you need to just recalibrate and learn a little bit more. But this is definitely something what gives you a lot of freedom, so I definitely suggest you to try out and see if you are a good trader or not, and maybe it can be a big surprise also for you. Maybe it's gonna be your thing, and maybe it's gonna give you and for your family the time freedom and money freedom what you have always desired. You never know before you're gonna try. So I'm gonna go to work. It does not mean that I'm gonna go to work somewhere, but I'm gonna work. I'm gonna go to work in another room to make the videos. The TV looks weird with these cables. There is an HDMI cable what is hanging in there, and the power cable what I have not adjusted well, because I'm not watching really TV. I have also learned that what more you watch the TV, the more you are disfocused, and the more you're gonna be lost in your business and in your life. So definitely this is a really good thing to stay away from. So if you have a TV, then you should maybe even sell it. Would be a good idea. I think I'm gonna do it. Next video you will see that there's gonna be empty hole on the wall.